In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate thumbnails with AI. Thumbnails are the first impression your audience gets, so getting them right can dramatically improve your click-through rate. We'll use a simple browser-based tool called Thumb Magic that turns your ideas into eye-catching visuals in just a few clicks, and I'll guide you through the exact flow from start to finish. Start by heading to the Thumb Magic thumbnail generator page. Once you're there, look for the Create Thumbnail button and click it. That opens the workspace where you'll tell the tool what to work with. You'll immediately see three ways to start: YouTube, Upload, or a transcript. Choose YouTube if you want the tool to pull a frame or context from an existing video link. Pick Transcript if you have a script and want the AI to suggest visuals and text based on your message. Today I'll choose Upload, which is perfect when you already have a still image, a product shot, or a headshot you want as the focus. Click Upload, then click Browse to select your image from your computer. For the best results, use a high-resolution image with clear lighting and some open space for text. Centered subjects with clean backgrounds work great. After your image loads, you'll land in the editor where the fun begins. Now click on a template. Templates provide ready-made layouts, fonts, and color pairings that are optimized for readability and impact. Choose one that fits your topic and brand personality: bold and high contrast for tutorials or energetic content, cleaner styles for professional or educational videos. Ensure the layout suits a 16:9 YouTube thumbnail, and check that text areas don't cover important parts of your image. Next, choose whether to use the default avatar or create your own avatar. An avatar is basically a cutout face or subject overlay that pops off the background and catches the eye. If you create one, use a sharp front-facing photo with good contrast between you and the background so the cutout looks clean. This step adds personality and makes your thumbnail more recognizable at a glance. When you're happy with those choices, click Generate Thumbnails. The AI will apply the template, style your image, and produce variations with different colors, text placements, and highlights. Review the options for strong contrast, big readable text, and a clear focal point. Aim for designs that are legible, even when tiny on mobile feeds, and align with your brand colors and tone. That's it, you've generated polished thumbnails with AI quickly and confidently. Repeat the process for different videos, refine what works, and watch your click-through rates climb.